Hi, my name is Santiago Lopez. I am 27 years old. I live in San Pedro de los Milagros with my wife and my dog. I study electronic engineering. I like to run with my dog every morning. I work all day in the office and I return home at night. My last trip was to San Andres Island for 5 days. It is a very beautiful island and its people are very friendly. The weather is hot and without rain. I like fried fish in food. On my next vacation, I would like to travel to the country from Peru to know the city of Machu Picchu. In Bordeaux is very beautiful and its history is very interesting. Thanks.